We are doing makeup declutter today. I was about to do my makeup and I was like, let me declutter first. Let's do it. I'm going to keep my eyeshadow palette separate. Hold on, I'll show you. I have a lot of them. I got a lot. I love eyeshadow, but I definitely do not reach for all of them. So I'm going to go through and start to like wear them and figure out which ones I want to keep and not. But let's dive in. I'm going to just pull my drawers. I have like a little acrylic drawer set. So I'm just going to pull out drawer by drawer. And let's see. This, definitely keeping. That is new. That's my e.l.f. Halo Liquid Filter, something. Charlotte Tilbury, this is my Jam bronzer. These aren't in that drawer, but I'll show them because I use these. You guys, if you watch me know, I use these like basically every day. These are my Hourglass Ambient Lighting Edit Unlocked palettes. This guy snuck in. I'm going to put him back with the eyeshadows. Okay. This is my primer, which is Good Molecules. I like that. Definitely keeping it. This is one of my favorite powders. I'm going to keep that. I also use some powders in here. What annoys me about those is that they are small. Like, I like a bigger, like something I can really stick my brush in. Anyway, Glossier. I am keeping this until I run out of it. I will not repurchase that though. This, I just don't reach for this. Clinique. I don't know. I just don't really like the color. Is kind of orangey. Orangey on my skin. I will keep this. I like this stuff a lot. CC Nude Glow. It's by It Cosmetics. I love that stuff. It's pretty good. Even on its own, it's good. But I've been wanting really light coverage, so I haven't been using it. It's kind of, I would say it's like medium. This is my Becca. It's Champagne Pop by Smashbox and Becca. They did a little collab. This is the best powder highlight ever. Boom, boom, boom. Why am I putting that on before my makeup? It's so pretty. Love it. Like, yes, I hope they always make that. Woo! This is a really pretty peachy color. I actually forgot about because I've been using my Hourglass palette, so I'm going to keep that. This Nude Sticks, oh my gosh. I dropped an eyeshadow palette in this drawer earlier. I think it was this week. And I haven't cleaned it out. So I need to clean out this drawer right after this video. Oh my gosh, it's getting like all over my hands. It's all shimmery. It's very pretty, but it's very messy. Shoot. Now I have nothing to wipe it on. I'm going to wipe it on my blanket. Nothing a little leopard print can't handle. I'm going to wipe off my thing. Wash my blanket. It's been sitting out here. I probably haven't washed this. I barely use it, but it collects dust, you know. I probably haven't washed it in like 6 months. This is, I love this. I even just used it the other day, but it's too dark for my skin. I love it. I love it. But it's supposed to be like a highlight. And see, it's darker, so I don't know. It's too dark. Maybe this summer. I'll see. I'll hold it off for summer because I love it. I love the formula. That's by Nude Sticks. And then my go-to for fall and winter, my Rockateur. As you can see, I love it. It's been loved. It's the best. Keeping that. So, got rid of only one thing, but that's okay. Oh, I'm not going to put these back in, actually, because I got to clean that. Got to clean that out. All right, next drawer. Let's see. I'm going to go through my lippies because I'm going to get rid of a lot of lippies. That's a lot. This is just, I like the whole idea of these sticks, but, you know, you order online and then you get it, and this one is really, it's dark, and it's kind of not that quick to blend. I have a different one from Target that's cheaper, so I am going to get rid of that. Let's see what else we have here. This is really matte and like drying. I don't like this. This little, I don't even know what it is. This is Wet n Wild. It sucks. It's a pretty color. It's a little orangey though. Again, you can't try things on in the store sometimes. This is old. an old lip gloss. I'm keeping both my Chubby Sticks. I just always go back to Chubby Sticks by Clinique. I love them. I love the formula. My NARS, I'm going to keep, this is like my red. If I wear red at night, which I might, going out tonight, maybe I'll paint the town red, paint my lips red. And then this one, that was NARS. This is NARS too. Let me look at this color. Oh, that's pretty. Actually, maybe I'll wear that tonight. That's pretty. Let's do it. Let's do it right now. ADD in full effect. Let's see, do we like it? I wanted to see if it looks like good on me. You know, sometimes on your face it doesn't look as good as it does on a swatch. Pretty. I think it's pretty. If I had the rest of my makeup on. All right, keeping those. This color is too light for my lips. It's just, I don't wear lipstick that color. This one is another lip liner I will keep. This one, what, I don't even remember this guy. What is this called? Cherry? No. And I don't love it, and it's probably old now. And then we have this little holder for that the stick I threw away, but it has a mirror in it, and I like that. So I'm gonna keep that, but not in my drawer. And see if I will use that in my purse. Am I gonna use it in my purse? No, I'm throwing it away. Look, see, you gotta make these decisions quick. There is a sharpener that I'm gonna keep because it fits my NARS. So I'm gonna throw that away. Let's load it back up. Oh my God, this is so much better. So there, see, much better. All right, we'll put that back in. Now, you guys love when I drop you, don't you? Oh my gosh, I changed the lighting on accident. Well, hopefully that's good enough. All right, let's see what else. What else we got? Oh, the bottom drawer. This bottom drawer just has tweezers and this dewy satin finish, which I will keep. And then this is eyeliners, mascaras, and brow. This is my go-to brow. I don't use it every day, but I do use it a lot. I'm going to keep that. This is my go-to mascara. This is Clinique mascara I never use. Bye. This is, oh, yeah, this is my L'Oreal liquid liner for the top. This is my Rimmel liner for the bottom. This is Clinique, you know what? I don't even know. Do I like this one? Let's see. I always want to test out before I ditch. No, it's like sometimes you just forget you have certain things, right? There we go. We'll see how long it lasts. So depending on if it stays on my waterline, I'll keep it. This is another Lancome eyeliner, liquid eyeliner. That one's almost out. So that is when I will go back over to my L'Oreal one. This Julep Beauty eyeshadow. This is pretty. It's like a cream shadow. I'm going to use that today. I'm going to leave that out to use. And then, oh, is this one? Yeah. I was like, I thought I did open it. It didn't look open, but this, it's pretty. It's like really pretty for the inner corner. I'm going to keep that. See, like I forgot I had this. Killer Black. I'll have to try this one. Have I tried you? I might have. It's a sharp one you have to sharpen, which annoys me. I like the roll-up ones. But it's Too Faced. I will try that one. Then we have this, oh. Let's see. How's this looking? This is a Army Green liner. I do like that. I have green eyes and I like doing green looks. And this is a wine-colored liner. My gosh, am I keeping everything? Oh, this one's all busted. I'm going to throw that away. Yeah, got rid of something. And then this little eyeshadow, because I don't have a lot of singles. I only have this and my kitten. This is a really pretty color. So I'm going to keep that, but I'm going to put with my eyeshadows because I never look in that drawer. Okay, so here we go. I'm gonna pull some of those liquid line or waterline liners out. But here we go. There we have it. That's the eye drawer. And then last but not least, concealers, which I have a makeup bag in my purse. I'm gonna get rid of these Tarte ones. Are too light. Surprisingly, you'd be like, girl, does it get lighter than you? It does. There it is. No. And then I'm gonna get a new one of these because these just get so funky and gross. I never finish them, barely ever, because they get gross and I just buy a new one because it's like disgusting to me. But I like the formula. This is the Instant Age Rewind Eraser. So I like it, but there, I have one little concealer in there. So this is cool. I'm really paring down. If you follow me, you know I used to have way more makeup. And I have these other, I want to make sure I keep the right one. Hold on. Shoot, I have to check to see which of my mascaras. I have 2 mascaras and one was dried out, so I opened the other one. So figure out which that, and this is a travel one that's dried out. Like I had it in my makeup case, but it's like the formula's dried out. Okay, that's it, guys. Yay! So got rid of a few things in less than 15 minutes. Yay. Got some swatches that I gotta wipe off. Gotta clean out this drawer. All the fun. By the way, helpful hint, if you get makeup or even like pen and stuff like on certain surfaces, you can clean it with makeup wipes and it does a better job cleaning. It's like wipes it off easily. Da, 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 da. All right. Happy day. What are you decluttering? Put in the comments. Bye. Smooches and deuces.